Hi guys, in the last video we have discussed third and fourth problems in exercise 10.3. So in this video we shall discuss fifth and sixth problems. So if we see the fifth problem, in the adjacent figure the height of a solid cylinder is 10 cm and diameter is 7 cm. Two equal conical holes of radius 3 cm and height 4 cm are cut off as shown in figure. Find the volume of remaining solid. So they have said here in this figure the height of a cylinder is 10 centimeters and diameter is 7 centimeters. So two equal conical halves. So this is the conical parts. This of radius 3 centimeter and height 4 centimeter are cut out. So from both the sides they have cut out a conical part. So we have to find the volume of remaining solid. So if we find the volume of the cylinder first and then the volume of the conical parts of these two, then we can find out the volume of remaining solid. So here writing the solution. So here the given, first of all we'll see the cylindrical solids. So cylindrical portions. Then if you see the cylindrical portions, they are given diameter is equals to diameter, d is equals to 7 centimeter, then radius is equals to 7 by 2 centimeter, then height h is equals to 10 centimeter. Height h is equals to 10 centimeters. So if we see the volume is equals to, so volume is equals to pi r square h. So now we know the pi value is 22 by 7. So radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So they have given r square. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height is 10 centimeters. So 2 ones are 2 fives are, and here 1 7, here 1 7 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So 11 sevens are 77. 77 into 5 is 385 centimeter cube. Therefore volume is equals to 385 centimeter cube. So we have found the cylindrical portions. So now we will see the cones portion. So cones portion is equals to, so if you see the cones portion, they have given the height is 4 centimeter. Height is equals to 4 centimeter. Radius is equals to 3 centimeters. So volume of cone is, the formula is, we know 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h is equals to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius we have got here 3 into 3 into height is 4 centimeters. So here 3 gets cancelled. So when we multiply, and we will get the answer 264 by 7. So 264 by 7. 22 into 3 into 4 is 264 by 7. So when we divide 7 by 264, we will get 37.71 centimeter cube. That's 7.71 centimeter cube. So we have both got the cones portion and cylindrical portions. So we'll see the volume of remaining solid. So here if two equal conical holes are cut off, then the volume of remaining solid is equals to volume of remaining solids is equals to volume of cylinder minus, we have got the volume of cylinder, the greater volume, so we'll take out both from this volume of cylinder. So minus 2 into volume of cone. So is equals to 385 centimeter cube minus 37.71 centimeter cube into 2. So they are given 2 into 37.71 centimeters. So here we'll get 385 minus 37.71 into 2 is 75.42. So 385 minus 75.42 is 309.58 centimeter cube. Therefore volume of remaining solid is equals to 309.58 centimeter cube. So now we have discussed the fifth problem. So now we'll see the sixth problem. So sixth problem is a spherical marbles 1.4 centimeters are dropped into a cylindrical beaker of diameter 7 centimeter which contains some water. So find the number of marbles that should be dropped into the beaker so that the water level rises by 5.6 centimeters. So here they have given there is a beaker. There is a beaker of diameter 7 centimeter which contains some water. So find the number of marbles that should be dropped into the beaker. So we have to find the number of marbles so that the water level rises by 5.6 centimeters. They have spherical marbles, diameter is equals to 1.4 centimeters and radius, if we see the radius we know d by 2, that is diameter by 2. So 1.4 is the diameter. If we do by 2, 2 ones are 2, 0.7s are. Therefore we got diameter is equals to 0.7 centimeters. So we have to see the volume of the marbles. So volume of marbles is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into pi into 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7. They have said r cube. So we added 3 times 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7. So we'll leave it like that. Then if the marbles have dropped into the beaker, then volume of water raised is equal to 5.6 centimeters. Volume of water raised is equals to 5.6 centimeters. So we don't know the number of marbles, so we'll assume let number of marbles is equals to x. Then volume of water level raised is equals to, so volume of water level raised is equals to pi r square h. So this is the volume of the cylinder, because here the wall here it is in the, this beaker is in the form of the cylindrical tube. So we have taken pi r square h. Volume is equals to pi r square h is equals to pi is, we will take pi as it is into 3.5 into 3.5 into h. Height we have got 5.6 centimeters. 5.6. So water level raised is equals to 5.6 centimeter cube. So therefore x into volume of marbles is equals to volumes of marbles, volume of water raised. X into volume of marble is equals to volume of water raised. So in physics also we have said that this number of marbles dropped also is equals to the number of water displaced. So here x into volume of marble is equals to volume of water raised. So now we will find out the number of marbles. So x is the number of marbles. So volume of water raised by volume of water raised by volume of marble. So is equals to x is equals to, what is the volume of water raised? So volume of water raised we have discussed here. X is equal to pi into 3.5 into 3.5 into 5.6. Here we have discussed volume of water level raised by volume of marble. So here volume of marble we have discussed here. We have got 4 by 3 into pi into 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7. So here pi and pi gets cancelled. So when we get cancelled here, we'll get 3 into 5 into 5 into 2. So here we'll do the cancellation. So we'll get 3 into 5 into 5 into 2. So 5 3s are 15, 15 5 into 2 is equals to 150. Is equals to 150 is the answer. Therefore, number of marbles dropped into beaker is equals to 150. So I hope you like the video guys. So in the next video we shall discuss another 2 problems. So see you in the next video guys.